Hello everybody, it is engine swap day for the Toro 20017 and there's the replacement engine. I need something where I can drop in and mow, and then in my spare time I can take this engine apart and see what happened to it. That said, it's not going to be a how-to because I don't know how to do this. Never done it, but I'm going to do it anyway. So what I'm going to do is just set it up on a time lapse. So get my tools gathered up and get started on this project. First plan of attack will be to dismount this engine and get it prepped, get everything transferred over that needs to be transferred, and then drop the new engine in, or the replacement engine. Appears to be from 2006, the replacement. So enough yakking, I'm going to get to work. Let's see if it runs. Compression already feels a ton better. Let's see what happens. Back on the old 2003 Toro, here's the original engine, and I was just comparing the governor adjustments. This one pretty well appears to be parallel with this ridge here. When I was looking at this one originally, when it was dropped down, it was pointing to the left. So I removed or loosened this screw here and made sure everything was even, and that was up and down parallel with the ridge here. and it appears to be working just the same as the original. I knew the original was in adjustment, but this one was way off, so hoping that's why it was revving up out of control. So I will put it back together again and hope for the best. I got a new breather tube, as the original was getting in pretty bad shape. It wouldn't seal anymore, so we'll see if this one does any better. But we'll first try the easy stuff, and if that doesn't work, we'll go to the more complex fixes. Another difference I saw is my governor, the little bracket that the spring attaches to, is bent on mine and it's straight on the replacement, and the looks like the rod, well, I guess it's about the same size. I thought it was a bit longer on the replacement, so I'm going to go ahead and go with that one and see what that gets me. So we'll see what happens. Before, it was kind of binding up, but that seems awful loose to me. Only one way to find out. Oh yeah, my breather tube fits nice and tight now. Well, the only thing I can do is turn it on, see what it does. Alright, on the governor, it appears it's working normally, as long as the governor mechanism inside the engine is working. I don't see why that shouldn't work. I went ahead and put my original rod here, and I had replaced that governor spring last year, so I know that's a good new spring, and it's hitting the stop on the engine speed. And before, when I started the engine, I'd had to get it going and quickly push with my finger right here to get the engine to slow down. I could physically feel something binding. Don't know what that was, but it's not doing it now since I've adjusted that. And this was also cocked up like that, so I loosened everything up and it's back even like it should be. So we'll see what happens. I'll slam it back together and give it a test start. Well, good news, you can hear the 2003 Toro running, and it now governs the speed. So now I've got to speed up the stop there where it will run a little quicker. Well, I got to put the 3 remaining screws in the cover, and then I'm going to give this a start. I did a little experiment with the governor. I bent that tab just a little bit. It seems like I've got pretty good tension on that now. Start it up and see what it does. I think that'll be better. So once again, the troubles with the 2003 Toro and sticking with it, didn't give up, got it going again. Thank you for watching.